Schönen guten Morgen, and thank you for watching this video. And if you are watching this video, there are good chances that you have already the level A2, right? And you probably can follow short conversations at work, understand native speakers in everyday situations and interactions, and talk with them about familiar topics. But when conversations become faster, longer, and it's your turn to speak, how do you react? Do you hesitate? Do you first translate everything in your head before you respond? Do you panic and then you switch to French or German or English? Well, and now maybe you are at the stage where you really would like to participate more actively in conversations and communicate in a more natural way with native speakers, either in everyday life or in work, yes? Well, and this is exactly where moving toward B1 can be a game changer. Because what changes at B1? Well, at level B1, you start being able to express opinions, explaining ideas and experiences, react spontaneously in conversations, or, yes, keep conversations going and communicate more naturally with native speakers. And that's why reaching B1 can completely change the way you experience interactions with Luxembourger and in Luxembourgish in real situations. So in this video, I will show you three big changes you will notice when you finally reach the level B1. And I will also share in this video the key factors to accelerate your progress from the A2 level to a confident B1 level, and this in just 4 months. Prêt? Dann los! So, here is the change number one. So one of the first big changes you will notice once you move toward level B1 is this one. Understanding, but most importantly, speaking, stop feeling like a mental exercise. So you will stop translating everything in your head. As I mentioned in the introduction, at level A2, you can probably follow short conversations at work or in everyday life and talk about familiar topics. But when the conversation starts to get longer, faster, and it's your turn to speak, well, then you hesitate, you panic, you draw blank, and what are you doing? You automatically switch to English, French, or German. However, at B1, something important starts to change. So this is, you will feel more comfortable and more confident staying in conversation, so having longer conversations. Let me show you how this looks like. So at level A2, if someone is asking you, wie gefällt dir den Abend? You will answer without any problem. Mein Abend gefällt mir gut oder ich hun mein Abend gern. Or if someone asks you, wie war dein weekend? You will spontaneously react, flott, ich war Sonntag mit der Familie an the Park picknicken. Now, these sentences are correct, but they are short, they are isolated, and they don't create a flow in the conversation. So your conversation partner maybe will not ask follow-up questions. You see, so and the conversation can stop here. But at the level B1, the goal becomes different because you will learn to connect ideas and to express yourself in a more complete, in a more natural, in a more detailed way. Let me show you. So instead of answering, mein Abend gefällt mir gut, at B1 level, you will be able to say, ja, mein Abend gefällt mir immens gut, weil ich viel Kontakt mit Leuten habe. Or you can say, mein Abend gefällt mir immens gut, allerdings habe ich heinz viel Stress. You notice how now you start to connect ideas using words like well, explaining why, or allerdings, explaining however. So your sentences become more detailed and more interesting. But now I hear you asking, hi, Anne. I'm a bit worried about the correct word order because in your first sentence with wel, so wel, ich viel Kontakt mit Leid hun, your verb comes at the end, and with the second sentence allerdings hun ich, the verb comes after allerdings. So I'm afraid that this will hold me back from speaking. But let me tell you something very important. Even if your word order is not 100% correct, people will understand you. Yes. And most importantly, we native speakers really, but really, really appreciate it when we see that you are making the effort to speak Luxembourgish. Yes. So at this stage, so moving from A2 to the level B1, the most important is that you stay in the conversations in Luxembourgish. Yes, that's the main important point. Let me come back to the second example, so the second question I asked you before. Wie war dein weekend? So at B2 you would say, flop, ich war mit der Familie an the park picnicking. But at level B1 you can expand this idea. You can say, mein Weekend war gemütlich, aber ganz flott. Samstag sind ich daheim geblieben, weil ich entspannen wollte. Am Sonntag wird wieder so schön am dafür sind ich mit meiner Familie an den Park Picknick gegangen. Und du? Was hast du am Sonntag mit dem schönen Wetter gemacht? Now, do you notice how the conversation starts to flow, to feel more natural, easier? Yes? So, the more you actively use structures or words like well, wann, dafür, allerdings, etc. in real conversations, the more you feel more confident and natural when speaking Luxembourgish. And that's why guided speaking practice and feedback from a teacher, from a coach are so important. And that's exactly what we are doing, training in our B1 boot camp. And this over 4 months. So during these 4 months, through structured speaking practice, real discussions, for example, in role plays with the other participants, or through interesting and challenging listening activities and also communication activities, you will develop confidence in speaking, confidence in understanding, in being able to follow longer, faster conversations. Yes, and this is so important at this level B1, and this is everything we do in our B1 bootcamp. And now let's move over to the second big change. Pratt? And here is change number 2. Mastering B1 opens more job opportunities. And this is something many learners underestimate. But in Luxembourg, reaching and mastering the level B1 can become a real professional advantage. Why? Well, once you can communicate confidently, as I mentioned in the change number 1, well, you will become eligible for more job opportunities. You will stand out positively in the job interviews, and employers will see that you can integrate and communicate effectively in a Luxembourgish workplace environment. And today, in many sectors, employers and also administrations expect that candidates already have a certain level, so at least a B1 level in Luxembourgish. And for some positions, B1 level is a requirement, and for others, maybe not. But if you put it into your application form, well, this will strengthen your application and will create more professional opportunities. And I have read some statistics online recently, and Luxembourgish is today the most widely used language in public administrations, very important, and it is heavily used in education, healthcare, and semi-public sectors. And Luxembourgish is increasingly expected in the Luxembourgish job market. So being able to communicate confidently in Luxembourgish can genuinely create more professional opportunities. And as I mentioned it already before, when you master level B1, you can participate more actively into conversations, for example, in meetings at work. Okay, so then here you can interact in Luxembourgish with your colleagues, and you feel more confident speaking with clients, with patients, with administrations, and explaining the situation clearly. For example, let's imagine that you have an appointment with a client or a patient or a colleague, and you would like to postpone your appointment. At A2, you would say, ich muss also Rendezvous verregeln, es geht nicht für mich. But at B1, you can connect your idea and explain more naturally why you have to postpone it. So you can say, ich muss leider, so you add the leider, unfortunately, ich muss leider also Rendezvous verregeln, weil mir etwas dazwischen kommt aus oder weil es mir nicht passt. Okay, so you use again this well explaining why you can. Or in an interview, they might ask you the question, wie gut schwätzt or versteht ihr Lützburg? At A2, you would answer shortly, ich schwätzen or verstehen gut Lützburg. But this is not convincing. At B1, you will give an answer which sounds much more professional and where you sound much more confidently. For example, you could say, ich schon de Niveau B1 am Lützburgischen, und ich kann gut mit Kollegen, Klienten, Patienten Telefon kommunizieren und ich verstehe bald alles. Do you hear how much professional this sounds? And this is also what we train, what we practice in our B1 bootcamp. So we don't just focus on everyday life situations, but as well we practice conversations, discussions, role plays at workplace and different workplace situations, so that you really apply, you use what you have learned, and you start feeling confident. Yeah. So and now let's move over to the big change number 3. Brett, dann los. Now we come to the last big change you will notice when you reach level B1, and this is the most emotional shift. Luxembourgish starts becoming a language that helps you truly participate in life in Luxembourg. At A2, you still feel a bit outside conversations because you may understand parts of what people are saying. You may follow short discussions, but you still hesitate to fully participate. And this can feel frustrating and isolating. But at B1, as I mentioned before, you start feeling more comfortable, more confident in speaking, in participating in conversations, staying longer in conversations, and most importantly, participating actively in daily life. And this creates an emotional shift. Yes? You begin feeling more connected to the life around you, to the people, but also to the country. And this is where also social integration becomes much easier for you. You must know that in Luxembourg, many social activities, local associations, clubs, group communities are naturally organized in Luxembourgish by native speakers. So when your confidence in speaking and in understanding improves, it becomes for you much more easier to join local and social activities, to connect with people, and to feel socially more integrated. So you no longer stay outside conversations, listening quietly, but you start participating actively. And I can tell you that this is, for many of our learners, one of the most rewarding part of reaching level B1 because Luxembourgish becomes a bridge to the integration, social and professional connection, and feeling more at home in Luxembourg. So, reaching level B1 is feeling more confident, more integrated, more comfortable in participating in life in Luxembourgish. And that's exactly why I have created our B1 hybrid bootcamp. So the B1 Hybrid Bootcamp is a focused 4 months program designed specifically for learners who have the level A2 and who want to see these 3 big changes in their life. So if you still feel outside conversations, outside of daily life, well, then you are exactly the type of learner this program is designed for. The B1 hybrid program helps you move from passive understanding, passive listening to active and confident communication. Yes. So, over these 4 months of the B1 bootcamp, you will develop the ability first to express yourself more naturally, more confidently in Luxembourgish, and no longer switch into English or any other language. You will be able to hold longer conversations and also participate actively in discussions. Also, you will communicate more comfortably in professional situations. And at the end, you will also feel more integrated and more connected in life in Luxembourg, sorry. So if we're ready to finally stop understanding silently and start speaking confidently, well, why not registering to one of our upcoming B1 bootcamp? I would really, really love to welcome to one of these bootcamps. So, euch so ein Merci fürs Nolaustern, Merci fürs Nogucken, auf Fleisch bis ein Keier an engem Bootcamp. Ade!